When working in NetSuite, if your transactions have a lot of line items, it can be difficult navigating your sublists and knowing what column you are on without having to scroll back to the top of the list to see its headings. Similarly, if you have a lot of column fields requiring a horizontal scroll, the action buttons do not follow your scrolling, which can be confusing when the row below the one you are working on is not actually the next row in your sublist. The Sticky Header LUXSolution by Luxent fixes these problems by making the sublist column headers stick to the top of the page as you scroll vertically. It also keeps the line action buttons visible as you scroll horizontally. This greatly enhances the user experience in NetSuite for working on transactions, but the Sticky Header LUXSolution doesn't stop there. It will dynamically make any sublist header sticky on any transaction, item, entity, or CRM record automatically and with no configuration required. Just install the bundle and start enjoying sticky sublist headers today.